Ever found yourself gazing at the stars and questioning, what if we became a Type 2 civilization? That's a question that strikes a chord with our innate curiosity about our place in the cosmos. As humans, we've always been captivated by the stars, by the mysteries they hold, and the possibilities they suggest. The notion of an advanced civilization, a Type 2 civilization, is one such possibility that piques our interest. Today, we delve into the fascinating concept of a Type 2 civilization. To grasp the concept of a Type 2 civilization, we must first understand the Kardashev scale. This scale, named after Soviet astronomer Nikolai Kardashev, is a method of measuring a civilization's level of technological advancement, based on the amount of energy they are able to use. Let's break it down. There are three types of civilizations according to the Kardashev scale. A Type 1 civilization can harness and control all of the energy available on their home planet. Imagine capturing every gust of wind, every wave in the ocean, every ray of sunlight, and every atom in the Earth's crust. Then, we have a Type 2 civilization. This is a civilization that can harness the full energy of their local star. Picture a megastructure like a Dyson sphere encapsulating the sun and capturing its entire energy output. Lastly, a Type 3 civilization can harness all the energy in their galaxy. Now we know what a Type 2 civilization means, let's explore what it would look like. Imagine, if you will, a civilization so advanced, it can harness the entire energy output of its star. Such a civilization is what we refer to as Type 2 in the Kardashev scale, a theoretical framework that measures a civilization's level of technological advancement based on the amount of energy it is capable of utilizing. The transition from a Type 1 to a Type 2 civilization is no small feat. It involves the mastery of stellar energy, a leap far beyond our current capabilities. To harness the power of an entire star, we would need to construct megastructures such as Dyson spheres. These hypothetical constructs would encompass a star entirely, capturing and channeling its energy output for use. Imagine a shell or a swarm of satellites, each piece collecting and transmitting energy back to us. But the journey to Type 2 isn't just about technological advancements, it also requires significant societal changes. We would need a global society, unified in purpose and dedicated to the collective good. We would need to overcome our earthly squabbles and focus on the stars. And then there's the question of resources. Building such a megastructure would require materials on a scale we've never before imagined. We would need to mine asteroids, comets, and other celestial bodies just to gather the necessary materials. The leap to a Type 2 civilization would be a monumental one, transforming our existence in ways we can barely fathom. So, what would life be like in a Type 2 civilization? Well, let's delve into the potential implications of such a monumental transition. Imagine a civilization that has harnessed the energy of an entire star. That's an energy supply that is, for all practical purposes, endless. This boundless energy would open up possibilities that are hard to grasp from our current perspective. For instance, interstellar travel. With such an abundance of energy, we could potentially build spacecraft capable of traversing the vast expanse of the cosmos. We're talking about journeys to distant galaxies, not just neighboring planets or solar systems. The universe, in essence, would become our playground. The technology we could develop with such an energy supply is mind-boggling. We could engineer solutions to problems that currently seem insurmountable. Climate change. With the ability to control a star's energy, we could potentially regulate our planet's climate. Resource scarcity. We could synthesize resources or even terraform other planets. However, becoming a Type 2 civilization wouldn't be without its challenges. Managing such a vast energy output would be an immense task. It would require a level of cooperation and coordination that humanity has never seen before. And then there's the societal impacts. How would such a shift change us as a species? Would this newfound power lead to a utopia, or would it exacerbate current inequalities? Would we become a peaceful exploratory species, or would we turn into cosmic conquerors? These are all questions that we can't answer with certainty, but they're worth pondering as we gaze upon the stars and dream of what might be. The concept of a Type 2 civilization is awe-inspiring, but it's more than just a sci-fi fantasy. It's a glimpse into a potential future for humanity, a future that may be closer than we think. Having explored the implications of becoming a Type 2 civilization, it's essential to remember the journey itself. This transition wouldn't happen overnight. It would be a gradual process, marked by significant milestones along the way. As we stand on the threshold of becoming a Type 1 civilization, harnessing the power of our planet, we can catch a glimpse of the path that lies ahead. The journey to becoming a Type 2 civilization starts with us, here and now. Every technological advancement, every discovery, every leap forward brings us one step closer. It's not just about the destination, but the journey. The challenges we overcome, the knowledge we gain, the unity we find, these are the things that will shape us as a civilization. We are, in essence, the architects of our future. And as we reach for the stars, we are also reaching for a future that is brighter, more expansive, and full of possibilities. The concept of a Type 2 civilization is not just a distant dream, it's a beacon guiding us forward, encouraging us to push the boundaries of what is possible, and to strive for a future where humanity has not only survived but thrived. It's a reminder that we are part of something bigger, a vast cosmos waiting to be explored. And as we gaze at the stars, we are not just dreaming of what might be, we are taking the first steps towards making it a reality.